welcome to another art video. If you're new here, my name is Monica, and this abstract painting is based on Of Monsters and Men song, Visitor. It's a totally unplanned painting, kind of. The only thing I planned was the portrait. I knew I wanted to paint a face, so I did plan out where the face would be placed, but that's it. I didn't plan colors or marks or anything. That's because the point of this project is to listen to a song on repeat, feel inspired by the rhythm and melodies of the song, and just paint whatever comes. I chose blue to start with because that's honestly just the first color that came into my mind when I started listening to the song. I did kind of goof with something here though. My goal was to start with darks first, which is what you see me doing now. So I was going to paint the darks on the face before adding the hair, but I got so excited to paint the hair that I completely forgot about darks first. It worked out. Visitor is definitely one of my favorites of Monsters of Men, and has been on my playlist, my painting playlist, since it came out. I will not be playing it on here because I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I really recommend supporting the musicians by streaming or buying their song if you haven't already. Trust me, it's fun and a great song to listen to or to add to your painting playlist. This project is something I have been wanting to do for a while, and that's to paint favorite songs. What I mean by that is to paint an abstract painting that is based on a song and is totally unplanned. Last year, I actually tried this with Coldplay's song Shiver. I put it on repeat on my Spotify and painted my heart away onto a mixed media board. I also saw that one of my favorite painters on YouTube, Arlisha Yetzer, did something similar by making abstract paintings of a few of her favorite songs. And when I saw her do that, I thought, okay, yes, I definitely need to do this as well. So shout out to Arlisha, thanks for the inspiration. So kind of a side note, I don't know if it's a musician thing or an artist thing or what, but I actually enjoy listening to a song on repeat. I know that there are some people who cannot stand hearing one song again and again, but for me it's actually really enjoyable, especially if it has a good rhythm and I can dance to it while I paint. I will not be sharing footage of dancing painting videos. Thank you. So I did want to talk a little bit about the process that I'm doing here, and I'm using the fat over lean technique. What this means is that all of my underlayers or my first layers are all kind of the leaner paints. So for example, in this case, I'm using all acrylic paints first, which are a lot thinner than oil paints. And then once I've completed the entire painting in acrylic, I go over to add final touches with oil paints. I really love this technique just because it allows me to be very free with the acrylic paints first as I'm getting all the paint onto the canvas. And then I can go in and do all the final touches with the thicker paints, the oil paints, and it really helps things pop out more. So yeah, it's fun. I recommend. I would love to try and make this into a video series this year where I paint other songs. I have already started my next one, and I'm super excited to show you which song I painted. I've gathered a few other songs that were recommended by some friends, so if you have a song you think I should paint, comment and let me know. Thank you so much for being here and for watching this time lapse. This painting is up in my shop if you would like to adopt it. Because it is a study piece, it will be at a more affordable price, so head over to the link in the description if you're into it. Alright, let's get back to the time lapse. I'll see you next time.